ko, asunting.
Tambal sa
up. Oh, kay laka og water strider, kay laka asimatabularia. Oh,
unsay scientific name ana day?
Asimatabularia ana. Go.
Welcome to our vlog! Hi guys! I'm Chai and we are in our... Where are we going? We're going to the Treetop. So, come on!
Ko, asunting.
Tambal sa
up. Oh, kay laka og water strider.
unsay scientific name ana day?
Asimatabularia ana.
We're so tired guys. So, pahuway sa timiday. So that, when you're sitting down, you experience the air from this reservoir. Singapore comes from. Yan, it's just so relaxing. With the handsome guys. Handsome guys. We'll be so happy.
Day, unsay masulti nimo day? About life.
Work has been really great, and Singapore provides a really great opportunities for Filipinos just like that. And enjoy Saturday. It's gonna be it's Monday to Friday. You're gonna basically be working your ass off and behind your keyboards and your monitors. So why don't you spend your Saturday and Sunday